Right, so let's talk about documentary photography and why it's so important. People invest in people, and I think if you're in business, you'll understand that you invest in people before you do in businesses themselves. You are drawn to those people, and that's what you fundamentally make your, not your sole decision, but the bulk of your decision on is, can you work with that person? Do you like them? Can you work with them? And can you see a future in business with that individual? So the point of documentary photography is it allows clients, both or past, present, and future, a little glimpse into who you are and what your company or your business is all about, creating that community feeling.
Moving on.
Yeah, moving on. So yeah, if reality TV wasn't popular, nobody wanted anything to do with it, there wouldn't be so many reality TV shows. We live vicariously through others. We are inherently, as human beings, we are nosy. Personally, and this is only a personal opinion, I think it's better to showcase both sides.
Yeah.
By showcasing both sides, it shows you're human.
Yeah.
By sharing your failures, your faults, or things that you've had to overcome, these hurdles that you've had to overcome, and that struggle to overcome it, I think people are just as important, just as interested in. But equally, I think it's something that not a lot of people do, and it's an area that I think businesses should be capitalizing on. So the ROI of photography in its simplest form is there are 365 days in a year. So if you are going to post one photo per day, you only need 365 photos. 2 photos a day, 730 photos. If you're posting 3 photos a day, it's 1,095 photos. So let's presume that you only post Monday to Friday. Each week has 7 days. Working on the basis that each month has 4 weeks, brings you to 28 days each per month. Deduct 8 days to account for 4 weekends, brings you to 20 days. So if you post 1 photo Monday to Friday, you require 20 photos each month. Multiply that by 12 months in a year. For those of you who can't figure it out, you'll require 240 photos a year. So you're already gone from 365 to 240.
Yeah.
It's 40 photos a month, which is 480 photos a year over the 730. And if you're posting 3 photos Monday to Friday, you require 60 photos each month, which is 720 photos for the year instead of 1,095. So you pay someone like myself to come in and document your day. If I give you 720 photos from that day, you have enough content to enable you to post 3 times a day, Monday to Friday, for an entire year.